Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This will be the last May Patreon for 2025 Part 9 of the month. And they will be starting June next week for their Patreon. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And yeah, let's get into it. It's going to be probably a short video because I'm running out of Patreons, especially if it's not Part 9. There's so much freaking figures I can go through or re-look at, and so many other things. You might actually look at some of the upcoming ones towards the end, just letting you guys know. So you got this is the new ones in NRE figure. May is these two, and this is the April one. This is the VTuber one as well. You can go home. They already did the June. These Kairai. That looks pretty good. This is Grave. I don't know if they're VTubers or anime, but I don't follow a lot. I see these clips a lot too. The Japanese girls. You got Shu as well. That's coming up. I was kind of interested. Venom Miku. Hatsune. Ashley will love this if I'm able to get this actually printed for her. But I don't know if she's gonna paint it, and I don't want to paint crap. This is Princess Peach Pink Ice Cream as well. Salt Sculpture, I think that's what it's called. Is another new one as well. Um, they already did the June. This is May from Arc Knight. Do not never watch or play the game. I don't know if it's a game or an anime. So you got that. Uh, Egma Studio Swap already got this one from Bikini Privately, and we got this one from this one's from Evangelion. The older lady always gets drunk and everything for it. Black Bribe, Cold Geass, another anime for it. This here, Eggman Studio. This is your welcome pack for that, and you got Baby Yo Miku, Meko. I know this is a VTuber one. Let's see what else. I think that's it for here for May. Well, been looking forward to what June's gonna be like. If you want some, basically a proxy for Old World or Age of Sigmar, this is probably what you want to get. We got a lot of Chaos Beast. I see some goblins and some, humans. I think some of these are like, I know there's like two factions. I don't know, there's two factions of humans in Age of Sigmar or on Old World. I really don't know. I don't really follow the lore of it, but you can probably use them as a proxy if you do enjoy it. I think these are like, I think these will be good for Bertoli. I know they have peasants for it. A freaking, what do you call these things again? Ballistas. There you go, you got a Dwarven Ballistas. Yes, tired from school. But yeah, check them out. Other one is TC Random Collectibles. I want to know if I can get a better version of this. Go to post. This one is kind of tricky. I think I paid $10 like before the 15th to get a lot of the files for it. There's Arya from League of Legends. We got a Vietnamese swordswoman. For it. I know they have Ray, I believe. Oh, that's November, February, March. March. I think May is just Aria, I guess. For Peach, I think we already looked at this before. If you're interested, go for it. We got the teacher, the nurse from High School of the Dead. The giant lady from Zelda Light from Female Light was a gender swap from Death Note, and Darkness from Kobayashi. And you get the extra model of her from Demon Slayers as well. And you get the April ones as well. I do want to print I also want to print 2B, but I have plenty of freaking 2Bs. And I don't need any more 2Bs unless it's like something I really, really like. Lil Patty, this one, you can pick Alyssa if you have it from Solo Leveling, but we are getting Eve for the print for the model as well. I think it looks pretty damn good. I like it more looty if possible with big old Chungus. Nom Nom, we looked in the past. They already released all of their files already for you guys. So you got your loot boxes for June for Final Fantasy IX. Darth Raven. You got Gemma. I think Gemma needs a bigger bust because she does have some kind of type of bust in the actual game. Well, that's just me, but the model looks pretty damn good, in my opinion. You got a Biru from Solo Leveling. I do need to get translucent, like light blue or dark blue resin. If I'm going to print this, because it's so much easier to color in the black with the black primer over the blue translucent, then you can stick in like a LED light through the butt. Then you can light them up. That's my ideal, but I got to figure out how to hide the wires when you stick the light all the way in there. Probably because I know you're gonna be separated. Probably drill all the way like these two, break these two, drill all the way through, and to the torso. Then you can put the battery below the base for it. But we'll see how that will work. We got Chibi Tank. I think that's kind of cute. Blue Chibi Blue Eyes White Dragon. It looks more like a Toon Dragon than a Blue Eyes White Dragon Chibi. That's just me. So you got extra. You got Zelda and Link. Link and Zelda Chibi. And you got the Princess Zelda ones as well. You get all of the ones from the Tears of the Kingdom. This is June. Oh, we got Chibi Skeletor. I don't know how that's going to work. I'm probably more interested in the T60 Power Armor if they do it justice. I do want them to make a, what's the other faction? That's with the president. I forgot the faction. Holy crap. I haven't played Fallout in a while. Enclave. There you go. I really want them to make the Enclave suits. I'll love that. I think the Enclave suit is more like cooler than the one from the Brotherhood of Steel. Lion Realm. We already got Virgil and Naruto coming out. We're waiting for Tusk. I do want to print Tusk. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to print him. I'm probably going to print him with red translucent a resin, or I'm going to do it with purple. I do have like neon red. I just gotta figure out once I see like the parts split and everything else. So I know Virgil's already out. If they have Virgil out already, they already sent me the link for it. But Naruto's out too. Virgil's out. I just gotta wait for Tusk. There we go. Virgil's out. Naruto's out. I'm waiting for Tusk. I think this is gonna be for June. Model. I do want to print out Tank, put it in my game for it. Young Blood, another figure one as well. We got Batman. That just came out. I know Snake. We looked in the past, and you have your extra content for Jujutsu Kaisen. This is Lily from Tekken, and you got Leon. I don't know if this is all gonna be for May. I can kind of scroll down and see. No, we're missing one more. So this is the last one we'll be waiting on. I think this one's from Chrono Trigger, Guilty Gear. It's from Guilty Gear. Quilton, another figure one as well. What interesting about this, they do actual live movie like figures as well. And they do anime. They have Ray. Problem is it's just too realistic for me. If it wasn't as realistic, I'll jump on this. But it's one of those things like, eh. Some people might like it. I like the more anime look of it. When you get anime making more like realistic, it's kind of like loses the effect on me, in my opinion. But I know there's people that likes the actual look of it. We have Nymph. I think they're already starting the June one. We got Harley Quinn. That's done. Lulu's almost done as well. I think there's also a Penny and Stocking that's going to be coming up with it as well. Station Forge is a Warhammer proxy. Like I said, with this one, there's going to be a whole shit little more. I bet there's going to be one more popping out towards the end of the month. For we got the Savage Sister Infantry. We have Grim Guard support weapon. I think that's kind of cool for the Imperials. We got an Orca's Assassin. Let's see, a Scavenger Sniper. Let's see, that's May Tier Life on My Mini Factory. Free Guardsman Infantry. We got Grim Guard Power Armor. And Tech, Tech Priest as well. Well, anyhow, if you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our pitching Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.